Our first power-packed niche is the Complete Ketogenic Guide for Women. With a fantastic niche score of 39, this category boasts over 1,500 results on Amazon. Not to mention, an astonishing average bestseller rank of 6,75,000 plus and more than 1,500 average reviews. It's clear that women are embracing the ketogenic lifestyle, and they need a comprehensive guide to lead them on this path of health and wellness. Next up, we have a niche that warms the heart: autism activity book for kids age 4-10. Scoring an impressive 47, this category has over 1,000 results and an average of 24,000 plus BSR. But wait, that's not all. With over 8,000 plus average reviews, parents are eagerly seeking creative and engaging activities to support their little ones with autism. This niche is brimming with potential and love. Our third niche takes us on a journey of adventure: kids travel journal age 6-10. Scoring 46, this category holds over 1,000 results and an average of 1,08,000 plus BSR. With 2,600 plus average reviews, parents are actively seeking ways to make their children's travels memorable. A well-crafted travel journal is a cherished companion for these young explorers. At the fourth spot, we have a niche that celebrates the miracle of life: my pregnancy journal. Scoring 43, this category has 251 results and an impressive average of 3,95,000 plus BSR. With over 2,500 plus average reviews, expectant mothers are longing to capture their beautiful journey into motherhood with heartfelt words and memories. Last but certainly not least, we have a niche that's all about creating dream homes: home renovation planner. Scoring 46, this category showcases 741 results and an average of 5,89,000 plus BSR. With 570 average reviews, homeowners are seeking the perfect planner to turn their renovation visions into reality. This niche has all the potential for success. And there you have it, the most profitable Amazon KDP self-publishing niches for 2023. We hope this valuable information sets you on the path to creating best-selling books that resonate with your target audience. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content to boost your self-publishing journey. Remember, success lies in choosing the right niche, so do your research, follow your passion, and watch your author dreams come true.